I find it outrageous that the Israeli regime can illegally abduct Irish and other civilians in the middle of the Mediterranean in full view of the world.
Declan, your wife, Margaret, who of course is also the sister of President Connolly, is one of 12 Irish citizens who was on the global summoned flotilla who has been detained by the Israelis. Have you had a chance to be in communication with her?
No, I had a brief call from Margaret yesterday before the interception. She told me Israeli military ships were approaching the flotilla. However, within minutes, the phone signal dropped. Since then, I've had no communication from Margaret. However, the flotilla administration contacted me and they tell me that the abducted volunteers are currently being forcibly transported by the Israeli military to a port in occupied Palestine. The boat in which my wife was sailing was unarmed, its mission was peaceful, and yet it was boarded with force by the Israeli military and its crew of international volunteers abducted and its cargo confiscated.
In international waters?
In international waters. This unlawful seizure on the open sea, I think it proves that Israel operates with total immunity far beyond its own borders.
You must be very worried about Margaret.
Absolutely. I think all of the families are extremely worried because we know the way the Israelis treat people. The reality is, like, how many times will Israel kidnap our citizens before we actually sanction Israel? Like tomorrow, the Dáil will consider the sanctions against the State of Israel bill. Now, this gives our government the opportunity to take a firm stand. Voting for this bill will send a clear message that Ireland will not be intimidated and will not tolerate its citizens being abducted in international waters. So in this context, I would be appealing to the Taoiseach, the Taoiseach, and to all TDs to vote in favour of the sanctions.